Welcome to You Can Do It. I'm your host, Chris, and today we're going to be talking about your roof vents on your roof and squirrel damage on the roof vents. On our house, we've got lots of roof vents, and living out on the East Coast, there's lots of real cute squirrels jumping around the yard, going tree to tree, but once they get on the roof, sometimes they like to chew, and they chew right on top of the roof vent. This is a lead roof jack that's coming up over the ABS here, and what they do is they get up around here and they chew on this folded over piece going in around the pipe, and once they break this thing loose, water can get down in between the lead roof jack and your pipe and dry rot your roof, or you'll get leaks going down into the wall. It's not good, and you won't know it until after a while. But I've had 3 pipes on this roof now that they were chewing on, and that was right after I had it roofed. So this roof is only about 2 years old, and they started annihilating my brand new lead jack. So I was trying to figure out what I could use. I went on the internet looking for, little devices they put on there, and there really wasn't a whole lot. So I came up with this idea, and I'm gonna show you because I've had this on now for 1.5 years, and I haven't had any squirrels chewing on these roof jacks. So basically I went to your local hardware store. This was Tractor Supply. I'm sure they got this stuff over at Home Depot. This is 1/4-inch galvanized welded wire. I bought a whole roll of it, and then I've got some galvanized steel fence wire. It's 17 gauge. So just so it's not rusting and putting orange streaks down the roof. So basically what you're gonna do, it's real simple. You're just gonna wrap this around like so. I need to have my wire cut, but you're gonna wrap this around. I put the seam to the back, and then I took the top piece, flatten it out with your hand, and then about 4 to 5 inches up, I just bend it over. And I know it doesn't look real pretty right now, but I'm gonna come back with a can of black spray paint, and I'm gonna spray paint this, and you really won't even see it, but it's gonna prevent your squirrels from having a field day on these and chewing them up. So I took a piece of wire about this long. You're gonna go around the bottom of it here. You can thread it through maybe a couple squares, just so it doesn't move, but once you grab onto this wire with your pliers or your linemen's, it's not going to go anywhere. But you'll notice that there's a couple of little ridges down here on your lead roof jack. If you bring it down around the bottom of that, and then back around, tighten it up, and then you can either fold the wire or cut it off, but this thing's not going anywhere. No wind's gonna blow it off, and even leaves or acorns won't go down there. And I've heard that squirrels will jump down the pipe and they'll get stuck down there. They either die, they can't get out, or they chew a hole trying to get out of the pipe. So here's the final product here. It's all painted. It's not coming off, and it's squirrel proof. Just real basic. Got some 1/4-inch galvanized welded wire or welded cloth, and then the galvanized steel fence wire, 17 gauge. It's real simple. And if you get a roll, you can pretty much do all your roof vents on your house with it. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the information you're getting, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you.